Chapter 2: Building a Strong Digital Presence. In faceless marketing, your digital presence is your identity. A strong digital presence is essential for any faceless brand aiming to make an impact, attract an audience, and drive online revenue. This chapter guides you through creating and optimizing your online platforms for maximum impact. Understanding your audience. Before building your digital presence, it's crucial to understand your target audience. Conduct thorough audience research to identify their demographics, interests, pain points, and online behaviors. Demographic analysis: identify the age, gender, location, and income level of your target audience. Psychographic analysis: understand the lifestyle, interests, values, and attitudes of your audience. Behavioral analysis: observe how your audience interacts with your content, products, and competitors. Creating a professional website. Your website is the cornerstone of your digital presence. It's where potential customers learn about your brand, explore your offerings, and make purchasing decisions. Choose the right platform. Select a website building platform like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace. Design for user experience. UX: ensure your website is easy to navigate and visually appealing with a clean layout and responsive design. Optimize for speed and performance. A fast-loading website enhances user experience and search engine rankings. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights for optimization. Focus on SEO. Implement SEO best practices to increase your website's visibility. Use relevant keywords, create high-quality content, and optimize meta tags and headers. Create compelling content. Include an about page, a blog, and detailed product/service pages with clear descriptions and calls to action. Ensure security. Implement security measures like SSL certificates and regular backups. Leveraging social media platforms. Social media is a powerful tool for building your digital presence, engaging with your audience, and driving traffic to your website. Choose the right platforms. Focus on social media platforms that align with your target audience's preferences, e.g., Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube. Create a content strategy. Develop a content strategy that aligns with your brand's voice and goals. Plan a mix of content types and establish a regular posting schedule. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages promptly. Engage by asking questions, conducting polls, and encouraging discussions. Utilize hashtags and keywords. Use relevant hashtags and keywords to increase the discoverability of your posts. Monitor and analyze performance. Use social media analytics tools to track engagement rates, reach, and follower growth. Building an email list. Email marketing is an effective way to nurture relationships with your audience and drive conversions. Offer valuable incentives. Encourage visitors to join your email list by offering incentives like exclusive content, discounts, or free resources. Segment your audience. Divide your email list into segments based on demographics, behaviors, and preferences to send targeted content. Craft engaging emails. Write informative and engaging emails with personalized greetings and clear calls to action. Automate your campaigns. Use email marketing automation tools to streamline your campaigns. Set up automated sequences and triggered emails. Analyze and optimize. Track metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Use A/B testing to refine your strategy. Leveraging SEO for increased visibility. SEO is crucial for increasing your brand's visibility and driving organic traffic to your website. Conduct keyword research. Identify relevant keywords using tools like Google Keyword Planner and SEMrush. Optimize on-page elements. Incorporate target keywords into meta tags, headers, URLs, and content. Create high-quality content. Regularly publish valuable content that addresses your audience's needs and interests. Build backlinks. Acquire high-quality backlinks from reputable websites to boost your site's authority. Improve user experience. Ensure your website provides a positive user experience with a clean design, fast loading times, and easy navigation.